Will I ever be able to get my AutoPilot calibrated? That we will see in this video. Welcome aboard, Lady Lieselot. Yes, this is another video, and yes, it is published on Wednesday. I was thinking, since the editing is going so much easier because I do not do a lot of things behind the scene anymore, I have so much footage to share, and I thought, how about this? That I start a YouTube Wednesday series. Every Saturday I still will be publishing recent trips of me cruising through the Netherlands. But I also have a lot of footage to share from 2023, 2022, etc, etc. I cannot fool you because the footage will show the date pre-May 2024 or after. Anyhow, for the next coming weeks, I have no idea how long it will take. YouTube Wednesday. And I will publish videos, perhaps in a shorter version, perhaps even a longer version. Who will tell? In this video, it is the start of this YouTube Wednesday. In this video, I will calibrate my AutoPilot. When I created this whole dashboard, I detached all the cables of the several marine gauges and also of the AutoPilot. And then I tried to calibrate it. Once, twice, 3 times. And when I cruised to Vlieland in one of my previous videos, I had to steer manually because the AutoPilot did not work. So, yeah, the question is, will I ever be able to get my AutoPilot calibrated? That we will see in this video. Despite the problem, I press Auto now. And it seems that it holds course. It works! Finally! Join me in calibrating my AutoPilot. Let's go. Settings. Calibration. Boat settings. What kind of ship do you have? I have a ship that turns slowly. As we know by now. The speed is automatic. Yeah. Cruising speed. Let's say 6 knots. Compass offset, not necessary. Okay, then we go back. Movement. I will not use that one. And then start calibrating. And then it says Harbor Wizard. So, press standby. You are in control. Press continue. Okay. The rudder is midship. Yes. Press OK. OK. Turn rudder to port. Here it is. And press OK. And I will keep it a little bit because then we can use this space. Because we also have to go to starboard. Yes. This is a YouTube Wednesday video. And I have no idea if I am able to produce another video for next Wednesday. So, if you love these entertaining video snacks on YouTube, on board of motor vessel Lady Lieselot, I suggest that you hit the notification bell and that you subscribe to the channel to see if there will be another video next Wednesday on the YouTube Wednesday series. Well, that felt like an American commercial, but anyhow, who cares? Yes, okay. Go completely starboard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And bring her back to the midship. And okay. Successful. I have seen that notification many times before. We have a rudder limit of 22 degrees. I agree. Okay. Now we have controls. Continue. Press. The pilot moves the rudder. Is it safe? Not yet. So perhaps I can turn the boat again. And then we have a complete lake in front of us. Well, except of the red sailboat over there, but that's no problem. Okay, let's see. Yes, it says the pilot will move the rudder. Okay. Be aware of your safety. Press OK. Is it safe? Yes, there's nobody on the lake. Is it safe? Yes. Successful. Continue. So, this time, Ray Marine has 2 units. It has the gray computer from the pilot itself, and it has a compass, an EV1. And the EV1 was in the dashboard over here, along with all kinds of electronics, which give a magnetic field. So I brought the EV1 up to the cabinet of the flybridge, and now these tasks are fulfilled successfully. Okay, and now what we now will do, we will restart the compass. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. And it says it will continue calibration, continue, and then I know by now that the moment that I move the boat in a circle, that within a couple of almost seconds, the compass will be calibrated, detecting magnetic fields. Yes. This lake is called Kever, and by doing this 360 I also show you the beauty of Kever. Please, 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 let it work. All right, that is ready. So let's face it, if it is possible to switch autopilot on. There is a disturbance. How is it possible? There is no magnetic field upstairs. I also sent the EV1 to the repair center of Marine. They did not find any fault. Okay. Let's see. Despite the problem, I press auto now. And it seems that it holds course. It works! Finally! The last time that I made a trip, I had sailing days of approximately 8 hours and I had to steer manually. And of course it is no problem because I know my way over here. But it's always a pleasure to press auto. So, yeah, I'm happy. Very happy. Let's try it one more time. There is a tree. That is our goal. We aim for the tree. Approximately 9 degrees, 8, 7. Okay. So, press auto. It works! Ho! Check! Calibrating autopilot. Check! Okay, so, happy sailor. Happy sailor, because from now it is much safer that I can press auto instead of going everywhere. Yes, nice. And then the end of the video always appears sooner than you think. Here it is. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you liked it. And if you do, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. For now, thank you very much. If you have not yet already, please subscribe to the channel. And do I see you in the next video? Alright then, bye bye!